Hello guys, today my motif is neon orange. I have here tiny invader Asiatic lily. They grow best in full sun. Revolution orange light eye Gerber daisy. Partial sun. Harmony sweetheart orange New Guinea impatience. Partial sun or shade. Geranium pento premium orange. Full sun to part sun. I bought this 2 weeks ago. I think only the lily is the perennial plant here. The rest are annuals. Here in zone 7. Put some mulch for good drainage. Sprinkled some slow release fertilizer. For easy release, roll it a little bit. Then squeeze the bottom portion. That helped. I'm putting it in the center because this plant is going to produce more bulbs, so more plants. Insert the tags as a reminder what were planted in this pot. Remove the blossoms of the lilies as they fade. I don't want them to form seeds. Leave the foliage to regenerate the bulbs for next year's blooms. The soil must be drained well, otherwise the bulbs will rot. If you want to use the lilies as cut flowers, you harvest them with an open flowers, and there should be shade of the color of the flower. Like this one is orange. There's some orange color on it. Make sure to leave some leaves on it for the bulb. Strip all the leaves of the lilies before putting them in the water. When the flowers open up, make sure to remove the pollen anther, this one, by using tissue paper because they are quite toxic for cats and can stain stuff inside your house. Lilies can last for 2 weeks inside the house if you know how to take care. Every 2 or 3 days you change your water and then cut the stem in 45-degree angle. The daisies, you can remove the spent blossom by trimming it at the base here. This one is geranium. That spent flower, you just trim it at the base. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like my videos. Have a great day.